Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Adobe Scan with Adobe Acrobat. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So make sure you have Adobe Scan and Adobe Acrobat Reader as well. Then next is to simply open up the Adobe Scan application. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is simply tap on the camera icon on the bottom of your screen, then select Create Scan. Then once that's done, what you need to do is simply capture your document and then simply crop, rotate and enhance the scan if you want, and then simply tap on Save PDF on the bottom icon of the screen, and the scan is now saved to Adobe Document Cloud automatically. The next step is to open the scan in Adobe Acrobat. Simply tap on the Files option, then select Document Cloud to see PDF saved from Adobe Scan, then tap your scan PDF to open it. Now edit and enhance PDFs in Acrobat by simply adding text, annotations or comments, highlight or underline important text, combine multiple PDFs into one file, reorder, delete or rotate pages, fill and sign forms, convert PDFs to Word, Excel or PowerPoint with subscriptions. Then lastly, simply tap on the share option in the Acrobat and share via email, cloud storage like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive or copy link, and changes made in Acrobat are sent across devices if you are signed in into Adobe Document Cloud. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.